Have you ever gone to a party where you enjoy jollof rice, fried chicken, salad, pepper soup, suya, swallow, and all the boo-boos? And after some few hours, boom, you started having running stomach, you are vomiting excessively, and as a result of that, you're already weak. Now you're asking yourself, is it for poison? And what exactly are you going to do? Immediately before it becomes serious. Welcome to Smart Living with No Stain. What we basically do here is to deal with day-to-day health challenges. We explain what it is and we teach you what to do, give you the home remedies. So if it's a place where you think that you always come and enjoy this kind of information, you can join us by hitting the subscribe button, on your notification bell, share this video to everyone around you. Now, what is food poisoning? Food poisoning happens when the food is not well prepared, is not well cooked. Okay, now, what are the symptoms of food poisoning? What shows that what is wrong with you now is actually food poisoning? The first symptoms is vomiting, then watery stool, passing watery stool, even most of the time staying with blood, start feeling weak, dehydration, general body pains, feeling headache, you have a dry mouth. All right, now that you have known that this is food poison, what are you supposed to do first? This is where knowledge comes in. See, at this moment, ORS is your best friend. That is oral rehydration solution. But if you don't have the one that is already prepared, you can mix it at home by getting a clean plate that has cover, pour 1 liter of clean water, then 6 teaspoons of sugar, and then half the teaspoons of salt. Mix it together and start sipping it gradually. At least you take it 5 to 10 minutes, keep taking it. But after 24 hours of that preparation, you can discard that and then you can actually redo another one. The reason why ORS is your friend at this moment is as you keep vomiting and then passing water stool, you are losing electrolytes. So this ORS will help to replace whatever you have lost. At this time, you have to place yourself NIMPA oral. NIMPA oral means that you are not supposed to take in any solid food. The stomach has to rest. Like now, you need to avoid spicing food, fried food, milk, alcohol. But you can actually take pap, plain rice, toast bread, it's a sin. And this thing is happening to you. Do not run to, get anti-diarrhea drugs to stop it, or anti-emetic. No. Sometimes the nature has its way of helping you to flush out the things that are not supposed to be in your body. So don't rush to take any medicine at all. And again, please stop self-medicates. You understand? Using random antibiotics. Stop it. If you must get anything like that, please see your GP. There are some danger, signs that you need to observe. When you see that vomiting is persistent, and you see that the diarrhea is also persistent, and you are able to see blood stain in your stool, and maybe now you are feeling so weak, you are dehydrated, or maybe this happening to elderly persons or babies that are below 5 months, bury your leg to go to the hospital. Go and see your doctor immediately. There are things that you are not supposed to do, like trying to force yourself to eat heavy food, no, or trying to take alcohol, no, or trying to ignore the symptoms, or assuming that it's spiritual attack. Guy, go to the hospital before it's too late. Right now, how do you prevent food poisoning? Make sure your hands are properly washed before handling any food. Do not eat salad that is mixed with mayonnaise under the sun. Any food that is exposed to flies, do not eat it. When you're already having suspicions about that food, do not eat it. Then learn to eat hot food, not lukewarm food. These will help you to prevent food poisoning next time. Wrap it up. Food poisoning can be mild, but dehydration can become dangerous very fast. You don't play with it. You must go and see your doctor immediately. If you have watched this video to the end and you have not joined this community, why not just hit the subscribe button? It's free of charge. Share to everyone you think that they are going to benefit from this topic. Like this video and don't forget to on your notification. Watch out for another interesting beneficial video. Bye.